to the Florence vlog. I believe this is our 5th place that we've been, and we just checked into our hotel room and it is very nice. So obviously we're starting all these vlogs off with a little room tour, hotel Airbnb tour. So come this way. Okay, first come this way. We have the bedroom. Very cool looking, very unique. Bed is, oh, it's kind of hard.
Again?
At our Airbnb last in Venice, we had like a pretty hard bed and we both woke up with sore backs every day. Come show the view, come show the view. View goes crazy.
But yeah, they literally greeted us with wine and I looked at Bailey and I was like, what are we doing here?
I don't know what.
Dude, I like got in here and I started tweaking.
Yeah, like if you were on shrooms or something.
You can't even like look into a mirror directly. Everything is the same pattern.
Good morning, guys. It is technically day 2 in Florence, but I'm considering this day 1 because we did not do anything yesterday. We desperately just needed a night to chill. I desperately needed to edit the London vlog. I'm currently in Florence, which is London, Paris, I don't know. 5 stops later and I'm still working on the first travel vlog out of all of these, which is kind of insane, but it's been hard to edit. But now it's the next day. It's 1 p.m. because I had to finish the London vlog. We aren't just being lazy. I had to get the work done before I can go and enjoy this beautiful city. But I think we're just gonna walk around. I found a breakfast place that I want to try out. Here's today's outfit. It's pretty casual, comfy, cozy. All right, let's go. I'm starving. Okay, it was like a 5-minute walk to the place that we're getting breakfast. It's called, I'm not gonna try. There's the name of it. It looks really good. We're waiting for a table. There isn't many tables in there, but he said it'd be like 2 minutes. I got a club sandwich. And I got pancakes and bacon. Looks very good. I cannot wait to eat this. Oh my god, look at that. This is another one of Noah's dumb ideas. Dude, my ankles are broken. How steep this hill is. Hopefully the view will be worth it. I'm being dramatic, but I'm tired. I didn't realize we were signing up for a hike. Oh my god, we're high. There's so many people here. The view's pretty.
Alright, can you tell them what's going on?
Noah can't take a fucking picture to save his life. He's taking pictures, they're ending up like this. Super washed out, you can't see the background, I'm washed out. And then I turn around, I take this fire shot.
Yeah, but I'm doing exactly what you tell me to do. Open your face 4 times.
Do better. Okay guys, we walked back from the mountain. It's a little tiring, but it was worth the view, I would say. I stopped into Brandy Melville and I got a sweater, which I know you guys are like, shop at like Italian boutiques, what are you doing? But like there was so much stuff there, I had to go in and I had to buy something. We're walking to find some place to eat right now and we stumbled across the Duomo.
The Duomo thingy, my bathroom.
The Duomo. Okay, we stopped into a place and got steaks. We were gonna go to this famous place here, but there was like a 40-minute wait and we just didn't really want to wait. Ask your question.
Am I fitted or not?
Say it how you did before.
Am I fitted or not?
No, absolutely not. Yeah, that's bad. We ate dinner. I don't know what the name of the place is called, but I know I got a video of like the front of the menu with the name on it. It was fire. Really good steak. Our server or waitress was so funny and sweet. So
She just flirting, bro. She just flirting with me, dog.
she's talking about her husband, bro.
I'm joking.
Go home. The transition between those two clips is hilarious and there's literally no explanation behind it, which makes it even funnier. There was an NBA game on this night that Noah wanted to watch, but it wasn't on yet for like another hour and a half. So we ended up going to this little like dive bar that was like right by our hotel and it was honestly like such a vibe in there. We just got a few drinks, hung out, and then we went back to the hotel and we watched the game. Hi guys, good morning. It is day 3 technically in Florence. Yesterday we decided to book a train to Pisa for like a couple hours today. We're gonna go walk towards the Leaning Tower. We literally only have like 2 hours to like walk around. We walked like, how long was it? 20 minutes from the train station to like the actual like tower.
And I think it's right.
I'm tired. I think it's around the corner. So come on. I don't know what that is. Oh.
Shit is crooked.
You sit. Alright, wanna go home?
Yeah.
We sat down at a restaurant. The tower is like right behind this construction right here. So we just walked like a tiny bit, but we ordered pizzas. Apples again. This is my first sip. Decent. Kind of has a weird flavor. This is what the scenery is looking like. Got our pizza. This looks like pepperoni, which is exciting. Yeah, same.
It smells so good. It smells like Mexico pizza. You know what I'm talking about?
He's never been to Mexico. What do you mean?
When I was little, dude. A wee little man.
Was I there?
It actually kind of smells like the Jamaica all-inclusive pizza.
Smells like Domino's. Back in Florence, I slept the whole ride. I'll insert a funny video of me sleeping on the train. My neck is a little sore. There's this like vintage store that I found on TikTok. There's actually 2 of them in Florence, and one is literally like a 2-minute walk from the train station. So we're gonna stop in there before we decide what we're doing next. Okay, when we first walked in, I was like, oh, because it was just like the top part. We walked downstairs and this place is enormous. It's so big. There's more. These are the same sandwiches we got the first night when I wasn't filming. So we went back because it was only $11 for both of us to eat dinner. They're big ass sandwiches, they're good, and it's fast and easy and right next to our hotel. We're gonna go back and eat, and I think we're gonna go out and get gelato in a little bit.
First bite test. See if it's good.
Okay guys, we ate our sandwiches and we hung out for a little bit, and now we're gonna walk down and get gelato because I'm making Noah. Tastes like a strawberry milkshake. Strawberry, I got summer cocktail, which is like a mix of fruity ones, and then I got vanilla. Classic strawberry sorbet. I'm curious what this is. It's like fruity, but it looks just like vanilla and caramel, but it's not actually. That's so weird. Okay, and then my vanilla. It's good. Ew, now you're sucking on my hair.
I'm missing it anyway.
I hate when people eat off my
what was
utensils. The summer cocktail one.
That was good.
Hey,
Can I try the strawberry?
There. When people eat off my utensils, they need to bite it. They can't.
My bad. Holy shit, that's good.
Good morning, everybody. There's like 6 of me right here. These mirrors are so weird because when you look in them, you don't see yourself. You have to like be off. It's so weird. I'm finally ready for the day. It is our last day in Florence. We leave tomorrow, and we've decided to do a wine tasting today in Tuscany. I think I may have talked a little bit. Why is this so dusty? I may have talked a little bit about it, or at least like wanting to do something like this. We really wanted to do a food making class in Tuscany, but they were all booked, so we are doing a wine tasting, even though neither of us really like wine that much. Regardless, it should be really cool and fun, so I'm excited. We're about to leave and go eat like breakfast, lunch somewhere, because I don't really think they're gonna have like food. They might have like cheeses and stuff to like try with the wine, but nothing like actual filling food. But here's the outfit. I kind of hate it, but I couldn't find, actually I kind of like it. Now that my hair is curled, I feel like it looks better. I don't really like this sweater thing with it. I wanted to find a white flowy dress for this event, but I couldn't. So this is just one that I brought. Okay guys, since we didn't have a ton of time to sit down and eat somewhere, we just decided to come to McDonald's. McDonald's is huge. I got a Big Mac, Noah got a chicken Big Mac because we don't have them in the US. Here we go. Taste test. Big Mac always hits. It's kind of funny, we're like the youngest people here. We're just talking to a bunch of old people sipping on some wine. This is worth it. So pretty. So we're going to the next stop, it's another winery. It's 10 minutes away. This one was fun and nice. I actually didn't mind the wine. The first one was really good, and then the other three were, first one was a Chardonnay. It was nice. The last three were all red wines, and they were a little bitter and dry, but I didn't mind it. Okay, I left my camera inside, but we just went to go to the bathroom, and now we're kind of like out in this field. It's so pretty.
Florence, I could check in. No, it's enough. It's your guy.
So cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, guys.
Guys, it's good. You like it?
Yes.
Yeah, what is that?
Okay, Noah, what are we doing?
We're at the pasta place.
I have the hiccups,
It's,
and that was so loud. In
If you guys watched the Venice vlog, you probably saw us eating that make your pasta to go thing. There's another place just like that here. So here we go. I'm talking because Bailey has the hiccups and she's had the
I
hiccups.
can't
for a
talk. So at this place, like the place in Venice, like Noah was saying, you get to choose your noodles and then choose your sauce. So I chose penne noodles with the arrabbiata sauce, and Noah chose
the macaroni noodles with the cacio de pepe.
We thought it would be fun since we're always competing, like who decides on like the better order.
I always have the better order every time.
It's because here, this is the thing. We'll both go to a restaurant and we'll both agree. Like we'll look at the menu and be like, that sounds good. Like we always agree on it. And then you always like come at me if I order the same thing as you. So sometimes I feel like I need to be original. So our idea is to try the other person's pasta first before trying our own, and then show our review.
Or just, no, we'll just rank it. We'll rank like what we think it is.
Okay.
I'm just fucking go down.
Did you try the one in London, the arrabbiata?
Mm-hmm.
Is it better or worse than that?
Better.
Or rate it?
1 out of 10.
What?
No, probably a 6.
A 6?
See that, but that's not my favorite sauce in the world. This is your favorite sauce in the world.
Okay.
It's like my.
Okay, that's bogus. Okay.
Rate it, bruh. Come on, mate.
5.
Out of 5? That's crazy. Really? Is it really only a 5? Compared to my first mac and cheese, it's a 5. If that one was like a 9. Swear?
Swear.
On
in
Jesus?
my opinion. On Jesus.
You're crossing your legs. And your arms.
Okay, now my review. This one may be spicier than the London one.
It is hot.
It's spicy. She's tasty. I don't know. This definitely is not the best pasta in Florence, but we just had to pick it up. Hello, you guys. Good morning. My hair is just not working. We got up a little while ago. We've just slowly kind of been packing our stuff up and getting ready for the day of travel. We leave Florence today, which I mean, honestly, this hasn't been my favorite place, but I feel like we did like fun day trips that we haven't done in other places. Like, it was cool to use this as kind of our home base and then go like to our other things. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching the Florence vlog. I just checked the weather forecast for our next 2 stops and it is not looking good. It's supposed to literally rain nonstop at both places while we're there. So that is very sad, but I feel like we've had really good luck with weather so far. So maybe it'll work out, maybe it won't, we'll see. But we're leaving Florence. So I love you guys and I will see you in the next vlog. Hopefully it's not just raining the whole time. Okay, bye-bye, love you.